age of darkness. A time of Saxon gods.
Give me one good reason why I shouldn't take you prisoner right now. Good reason?
Only one could unite them to save the day.
I am Woden, chief of all the gods. I'm putting a team together.
You'll only mess it up.
Probably.
You need someone to save the day.
Definitely. I'm putting a team together and I'd hate to do it without my pretty wife.
Let's go.
Starring Tudor, god of war, Thunor, god of thunder, and Freya, god of fertility. Apart, they were worshipped. Together, they became legend.
So what's this superhero team called, Woden?
We are Days of the Week.
Sorry, what? We're going to be days of the week.
Yeah, you know, like Tuesday, Woden's Day, Thunor's Day, Freya's Day.
What are we meant to do exactly?
Nothing really. Just look butch for the posters.
Tuesday!
Woden's Day!
Thunor's Day!
Freya's Day!
And Saturn's Day!
Sorry, do you mind? You're a Roman god. This is Saxon God Week, only for Saxons.
Yeah, what about Moon Day and Sunday?
Yeah, we're a 4-day week team.
Witness the incredible story of how the greatest gods of the Saxon age came together to become almost 1 week.
Weekdays assemble! Some of the weekdays assemble!